The ability to learn is a skill. The willingness to learn is a choice.
A very good morning to everyone gathered here today.
When the water touches the wires, the buzzer starts to beep, and Yashika Singh will show the red.
A dream which I was seeing for last 6 years, it has come true. And this lab will help my kids to learn how to make drones, how to make robots, STEM. This will add to their learning ability. This is the most wanted thing. NEP also says skill education. So this is how we are going to develop their skill. And sky is the limit now for Mount Literia.
Lab of our Mount Literia Zee School, and we have almost all the sensors for students to work on. We have Arduino programming as well. We have our 3D printer. Right now it is already printing a small little ship. It will take around 1 hour for it to get completed. Other than that, we have a drone, a telescope. We have our entire mechanical department set up over here with various tools, and our electronic department set up over here with our various tools. This will be the practical section, and on the other side we have a lecture section as well. So this is a fully set up ATL lab.
In fact, this kind of facility is absolutely important for the development of the children, for the development of young minds, where they don't have to fear that if anything goes wrong, then what will happen? So there they get the hands-on experience of doing things, fiddling with ideas, doing things on their own without the worry that things can go wrong. And that's the spirit of science. That's how the science happens. If you always fear for something going wrong, then you will never test the idea or the hypothesis. You will never venture into that. So that's a great initiative by Government of India. It's a wonderful initiative that such grants are being given to schools, and those schools are fortunate, and of course the deserving schools like Mount Literia, it's a deserving school. They have proven in other fields that they are competent, they can host such a laboratory, and it's great that they have received this laboratory, and it's an excellent laboratory developed in a very short span of time. And I hope that this will flourish, the students will get benefited with that.
I am very happy to be part of this inaugural function of the Atal Tinkering Lab, which is great infrastructure for the learning of science for the students. I think this infrastructure is going to promote, doing by doing, and as a result of which curiosity is increased, and the students will want to do it in their own ways, find out new ways of doing things. Yes, I think this is a beautiful infrastructure, and my earnest request is that this kind of infrastructure should be made available at all educational institutions, because, as I said before, we don't know from which school a scientist may be born through the infrastructure that is provided by the school. And I'm sure the government will take this into account, and very soon this beautiful infrastructure will be made available at most schools.
Today is a very, very special day for us, where we inaugurate our very special Atal Tinkering Lab, which is going to help our students to go absolutely to the next level in the field of science and technology. This lab will facilitate our students to work on drones, to launch rockets, and the next level of science and technology, which our school will now be providing our students who have been patiently waiting for this. Speaking about Mount Literia Zee School, Goa, our school is an absolute top school which has about 1,200 students currently, and we aim to get to 1,800 to 2,000 students in this upcoming academic year. Our results in academics have been absolutely fantastic. We are scoring 98, 99%. Our toppers are 98 to 99%. We have 145 Mount Literia Zee schools in the country. And while we are not the first school to host this Atal Tinkering Lab, but we are the first school on many counts, and I'll just explain it to you. We are now hosting and inaugurating the Atal Tinkering Lab today. We are now being rated and being awarded as India's most trusted brand. So Mount Literia Zee School is now India's most trusted brand. And also, as you would already know, that we've also won a Guinness record of launching rockets and went for classes 6 to 9. So we have now 3 such jewels in our crown now. The most trusted brand, the Atal Tinkering Lab, as well as the Guinness record. I don't know how many schools in Goa have all these 3 in their jewel, but currently with all these 3 jewels, we are certainly going to become the Kohinoor school of Goa, if not the